Hello everyone, and in this video I have an oil can to unbox, and it's the RWB 993 Motul from Tarmac Works. So that was the cardboard box, and now let's take a look at the oil can. The oil can has the same design as on the cardboard box. There is the unscrewable cap on the top, and when you open the lid, there is a foam piece protecting the car. There's the car inside the can, and there is one more piece of foam inside which protects the car. So now, let's move on to the most interesting part of the video. It also includes the collector's card, and this is car number 2066. So, moving on to the car, which looks really beautiful in this Motul livery. At the front, you can see that there's a Photo S Porsche logo, which looks really nice, and there are canards on the bumper. The tires have Idler's branding on them. You can also see the brake disc and caliper. There is also the work logo on the wheel. There is a wing-like structure and a canard wing on the fender. There are a few logos on the bottom of the side glass. There is an RWB and an SSR logo on the engine cover, and a few more logos on the rear windshield, and the wiper is separate and is not molded in with the windshield. This ducktail spoiler looks really unique and sets it apart from other RWBs. There are a few logos on the side glass as on the other side. These front wipers are also separate and are not molded in with the windshield. Moving on to the interior, you can see that the dashboard is really well detailed, and you can see the instrument cluster from here. There's also a white roll cage at the back. From the driver's side, you can see that the steering wheel is also really well detailed. The seats have Recaro branding on them, and as you can see, there's the Toyota's logo on top of the windshield rather than the Rowelt banner. There's also a sunroof decal on the top. So this is the car out of its base, and it looks really nice. The chassis is not really well detailed, but still looks good. The muffler and the exhaust tip also look really nice. There are chrome inserts in the mirror, and they reflect really well. The rear wheel does not roll at all, but the front wheel rolls a bit, but not freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you later.